How much is TCL TV 43-inch? TCL 43-inch TVs are a popular choice for users looking for a balance between screen size, features, and affordability. The price of a TCL 43-inch TV varies depending on factors such as display resolution, smart features, and additional technologies like HDR and advanced refresh rates. First, entry-level 43-inch models. TCL offers budget-friendly 43-inch TVs with Full HD 1080p resolution, typically priced between $200 and $300. These models are ideal for basic viewing needs, providing good picture quality and standard connectivity options such as HDMI and USB ports. Some of these TVs may come with limited smart features or require external streaming devices for access to online content. Second, mid-range 43-inch smart TVs. For users looking for better picture quality and built-in smart features, TCL has 43-inch 4K UHD smart TVs. These models generally range from $300 to $450, offering improved resolution, HDR support, and access to popular streaming services. Many of these TVs come with Android TV, Google TV, or Roku TV, allowing users to stream content, use voice commands, and install additional apps. 3. High-end 43-inch models. TCL also offers premium 43-inch TVs with advanced display technologies such as QLED and Mini-LED. These high-end models are priced between $450 and $700, featuring enhanced color accuracy, higher refresh rates for smoother motion, and Dolby Vision HDR for improved contrast and brightness. They are ideal for gamers, movie enthusiasts, and those seeking top-tier display performance in a compact size. Fourth, factors affecting the price. Several factors contribute to the price difference among TCL 43-inch TVs. Display technology, 4K UHD models cost more than full HD versions, while QLED and Mini-LED models are the most expensive. Smart features, TVs with built-in Google TV, Roku TV, or Android TV platforms are priced higher. Gaming enhancements, higher refresh rates and gaming modes increase the price. Retailer and promotions. Prices fluctuate depending on discounts, holiday sales, and store policies. TCL 43-inch TVs cater to various budgets, with prices ranging from $200 for basic models to around $700 for high-end options. Buyers can choose based on their entertainment needs, whether they prefer a simple Full HD TV, a 4K Smart TV, or an advanced QLED display.